Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics. Thank you so much for supporting my cleaning channel. Today I've made a quick video of what I do when I'm doing a thorough clean in and around my sink. Of course, there's a lot more to clean than just the sink, but you let me know if you think I've forgotten anywhere. Thank you for watching. First things first, pop those gloves on and really make sure that the cloth that you're using is wet. Microfiber cloths actually take a bit to get them wet. You need more than just a damp cloth, and you certainly never clean with a dry cloth. I'm just using my own homemade cream cleanser there, a simple non-toxic product. I know we can all be kind of trained by advertising to think that when we're cleaning really dirty areas like bathrooms and toilets that we need a lot of harsh chemicals, but it's simply not true. You just need some basic cleaning techniques and everything will come up beautifully. Now I clean that soap holder and I just pop the soap on the windowsill so that it can dry a bit and keep out of the way while I'm cleaning the other things. I cleaned the mirror before I started the video so you could see properly as I'm cleaning. And I'm wiping everything over. So with that cleaning product, I'm just spooning it onto the cloth and then now the grout brush and really getting it to all the places that I want to give a thorough clean. Now I'm using that grout brush to get into those grout areas that are prone to mold and also around the base of those fixtures where it just needs a little bit more of a scrub than what the cloth can give. The right tools make the job so much easier. So after I've done everything around, I just wipe all those places that is likely to get soap splatter and toothpaste splatter and all of that. Give everything a good wipe. I don't wipe everything this thoroughly every single time I clean the bathroom, but it's really good to do this from time to time because it helps maintain everything to a really high standard and it means that there's no issues building up. I'm giving everything that really thorough attention. So I wipe not only the walls and the splashback and all over the products and all those containers that I've got in the bathroom, I also wipe the cupboard doors and on the outside of the sink and over the fixtures, etc. So you want to avoid putting things on the floor because that'll increase all the bending and it'll increase your chances of dropping something with your slippery gloved hands. Just move them from side to side is much better and ends up being quicker too. So you can see after that cleaning wipe over, I then rinse my cloth and wipe things over all again as I keep rinsing that cloth. And by rinsing with that rinse wipe, you're getting rid of all the final remainders of dirt and also of the remainders of the cleaning product. When you're done, hang those gloves out to dry.